Hey, that's a good-looking guy.
Are you sure? Morning, Greg.
George, I just had to come in and tell you what a wonderful job you're doing on the show today.
I'm not on yet, Greg.
Yes. Well, it's a good thing, too, because I was just about to make a little suggestion, something to spice things up, you know.
Sure. What is it?
Well, now, look it. Why don't you just start the show by singing a song?
A song? There's only one song I know how to sing.
Well, good. Now, if you... Hey, gotta go. Bye!
I'll give it a try. Moist. Towelette. Moist. Towelette. Moist. Towelette. Moist. Towelette. Does it make me gay? If I'm clean and neat, there's olive oil all over the place. He rubs it on his feet. Moist. Towelette. Moist. Towelette. I keep one in my wallet, in the pouch where my rubber is stored. The rubber's been there since I got it, at the Gag Shop Comedy Store. Moist. Towelette. Moist. Towelette. I use them on a toilet seat until it glows, and as a filter for my nose, 'cause people stink, you know. I use it on the desk, on the monitor glass, and it doesn't miss a lick when I wipe it on my ass. Moist. Towelette. Moist. Towelette. Moist. Towelette. Can I go home now?
Jorge, I like your mouth.
Oh, my God.
On the air? Yeah, I did. At least someone's heard an instrumental. Anything else you want to say before they start singing again? It's not bad. No, I'll tell you all about it. That's my shirt. Thank you. It's heartfelt.
just like your father. You know he's got a poison mind. Your time is here, it won't be long. You've got to go and you're called upon. You said you and me would never work together, but a broken soul is never gonna
.07 on QAM. How you doing, Josh? Since you already, broke the ice by going on the air there. I didn't know that song ended that way. What is it?
I'm doing pretty good, actually.
Did you, was that a song all right with you? Is that okay?
I'm fine with that.
Okay, because we've heard their music before, as a matter of fact, these people. This is the breakout group of the day for today's show. We're going to be playing a lot of local music, too, but those people are not. You've heard it before. Here, let me remind you what you heard from them before. From the iPod commercial. Yeah. I just figured I'm going to play a whole bunch of stuff before it winds up on a commercial, like on a car commercial, especially like the Supergrass. Although this disc, for those of you who don't know about the Caesars, do they sound Swedish to you? They're a Swedish, known as the 12 Caesars in Swedish land.
I've been fooled before.
No, I'll bet. That's what I heard. And this is a perfectly listenable disc. You can actually listen to this whole thing, and it's adequate or better. That's still the best song on the record, as far as I'm concerned. But they got like 3 other songs that are almost as good, like that one, quite good. And you know who's gonna like this? Old people. If you're into that old '60s retro mop hair rock, like mop rock, post British invasion, organ. They're playing the electric organ there, kind of rock. This is all that stuff. I could actually play 2 other cuts from this. It's all over the place. It's mellow. It's not mellow, but it keeps within that kind of sound, that kind of retro rock sound, and it's great. So there you go, Caesars. For those of you, Paper Tigers is the name of that record. I could go and play more from them. I could play a little bit of Spirit. It takes a long time. This song's too long. It takes a long time to get going. So I'm not gonna.
Let's tell you what's not great.
What is it?
We're not going to play any spots.
Oh, yeah,
today.
That's right. It's commercial free today, and we don't know who to call about it. Do this, though. Please follow the CYA procedure.
I'm going to go. Why don't you play a song?
Yeah, I'm going to play a song. Let's start resetting things, start calling engineers. I'll play a long song. As a matter of fact, I do have this Supergrass queued up. Now, I've only listened to this once through. We got all this music here on Friday. This box came in on Friday, and I was already behind on listening. And it's a short show today. Woo! Very excited about that. So, not going to be taking any calls because, why? If you want to request something, that means that you already know what it is. And if you already know what it is, that means you've already heard it. We're going to try to play things that you haven't heard, or at least haven't heard in a really, really long time, especially a lot of new stuff and some local stuff, and just kill some time that way. So, since we're having technical difficulties, might as well start this out. If it sounds like I can't talk, it's because I can't. Because I'm not going to be talking today. Other than just to tell people what we're playing. This here's the Supergrass. We got a new poll up. Please go vote on it. How would you rate the federal reaction to Hurricane Katrina? So far, we've got criminally negligent is in the lead with 7. That's what I voted for. Embarrassingly slow, 5. Racially complacent. You know what that means. They're black, so who cares? 3 for that. Pitiful 3. Appropriate 1. None yet for who cares, excellent, or as good as any nation. anyone saw 60 Minutes last night, you'll see why that's not true. And I'll read the results of the previous poll. What's the worst thing this president has ever done as we take our way through the rest of the show. All music today. Relax. It's Labor Day. I don't want to be here, but as long as I can play music, I don't mind. And we can't play any commercials, so you might be having some wall-to-wall music. This might be a music marathon. Any luck? Talk to anybody? No. There's nobody here. No lives today, are there? That's all I'm worried about. Because then I'll lose money. So here you go. Did I mention enough times that this is the new Supergrass? Not as good as other stuff they've done, but I'll take it. All right, Josh, give it a crack. If you're not ready, then I'll play another song. Go ahead, fire it off. Hit something. Turn on the mic and say something. Josh is in the other room trying to get spots on the air. Hey, it's Labor Day. Nothing? All right, here we go. Here we go to our local block. This is Red State Riot.
Wonderful weekend on WIOT Miami. Today I saw my hero fall apart, the one who taught me to be strong. On the outside I look fine, but on the inside I am dying. My strength is overcome by pain. My love for you remains the same. Loneliness is setting in. I have no one to free my sins. Never too late to live your life. The time is now, it's your life. Never too late to live your life. The time is now, it's yours and mine. Now it's my time to help you out, 'cause you were there when I was down. It's hard for me to feel this way, losing all your sanity. You help me keep my dreams alive. Without you, how will I survive? It's time for me to be a man. Now I finally understand. Never too late to live your life. The time is now, it's your life. Never too late to live your life. The time is now, it's yours and mine. Never too late to live your life. The time is now, it's your life. Never too late to live your life. The time is now, it's yours and mine. I can't run anymore. I can't run anymore. I can't run anymore. I can't run anymore. Today I saw my hero fall apart, the one who taught me to be strong. On the outside I look fine, but on the inside I am dying. Never too late to live your life. The time is now, it's your life. Never too late to live your life. The time is now,
Anyway, that's Soul Aside. I promised Dirk that I'd play that and also put a shout-out to anybody who wants to be a singer. Apparently their singer's a flake. Oh, gee, how unusual, a musician, a guy in a band who's a flaky guy. Not that Dirk isn't. So if you want to be in a band that sounds like that, they write, they play. All you got to do is put up with Dirk. He's a little bit high-strung. He needs to switch from crack to, like, Xanax, I think. Send a fax over here, 305-650-0198. 305-650-0198. We'll pimp for the band, and if you want to be in one, all you got to do is, put up with Dirk. He might be in a fight, but he's small. You can probably take him. Anyway, we're still having technical difficulties. Josh, you able to talk on mic yet? He's trying to figure out the control room. It's his first day in there, folks. Normally he works in here. We were going to have a lot of fun talking about a lot of music and killing some time, and now we have all these technical things. Just to let you know, Josh, I reset the computer in there. I don't know if it's having any progress, but I'm doing what I can in here. In the meantime, we'll just keep playing crap until you can, do something. This is like 2 years old already by my research. It's Erlenmars. They're from California, and I never heard it on the radio. I never heard it on MTV. I never heard it anywhere. It was on one of my CMJ New Music monthly discs, and it's too bad because they're good. So here they are, Erlenmars.
When I came back to town, didn't want to hear that sound, but there was nothing I could do. I want to drive by your house just to see if you're around, and I'll be waiting there for you. You ought to know by now. We'll have to teach you how. Boy, you keep it down. You ought to know Indian, yeah, is they're preparing to defend. When children bleed, mothers bleed, no matter where you're from. Oh, let these people's souls become their crematorium. God, is there something wrong with human? God, is there something wrong with humanity? God, is there something wrong with human? God, is there something wrong? Bodies in the ocean, New Jersey shore, guns in the hands of the rich and the poor, a raging fire roaring through the streets of the Middle East, fuel on the hands of the greedy and elite. Assimilation of religion will not bring peace to other nations where division is based on need. We put authority in question with a sense of empathy. We will be ruled if we're all on our knees. God is something wrong with human. God is something wrong with humanity. God is something wrong with human. God is something wrong with humanity. Wrong with humanity. Mothers are sitting there praying to be preached. Really getting in to the doing they need. A prayer of friendship, a prayer of trust. Worship the good in every single one of us. God is something wrong with human. God is something wrong with humanity. God is something wrong with human. God is something wrong with humanity. Wrong with humanity.
So that's the Delegates, and they're local for what it's worth, and you can find out more about them and other local bands, same place that I did. Well, I got it on a CD over here, but it came from SoFlaRecords.com. That's SoFla, S-O-F-L-A Records.com, if you want to find out where you can get a hold of that. I'm holding a mixer disc, a bunch of South Florida stuff, 21 tracks on this. Josh hated it, and he can't talk to me, so I can just say anything I want to about Josh, and he can't do anything. As a matter of fact, he can't even come in here and hit me. So it'd be a good time to talk about his mom. Just kidding, Josh. 18 till 11 on 560 QAM. How about now?
I'll take Bunsen
And WABC.
I'm
freak me out.
So I know that wasn't exactly new, Franz Ferdinand, but I didn't get tired of it like 2 years ago. I know MTV played it. See, the reason that whoa, that just ended like that. I had nothing to do with that.
Sure.
It's just the CD did that. It overqueued. You know how that goes. Hey, it's all technical incompetence day. Not on our part. It's the equipment today. We can't get anything to work. Since you're in that room right now, did that computer doing anything now? Because I restarted
No.
it. No, of course
Nothing
not.
has come up since I turned it off.
So the audio vault doesn't work, just so the audience knows where we're at today. The audio vault doesn't work. The microphone in the other room doesn't work, because at least we do have the ability, since I do it with Neil every day. Oh, that didn't sound right at all. Talk to him when you can't see him. That's what I'm talking about.
Yeah, right.
We do have the ability to have conversations here at this radio station with people that we can't see. You know, the Big O does the show from his house, too.
I do.
A lot of people don't know that. I know you know. I was talking to the audience in general, the 5 people that might still be out there that we haven't chased away.
Oh, there's one.
Oh, there's one. No, you know, that's going to be good. Should we even?
Let's do it.
It's going to be, you know who. QAM, hello.
George.
Yeah.
Hey, listen, it's Frank, man. I'm on my way to the station to drop that CD off for you.
There's nobody here. You're going to have to, I don't know, like, stand in the parking lot and yell. I don't know how you're going to do that.
Well, I'll go to the parking lot and I'll call you. How's that?
Wait, I'm going to put you on hold. You can talk to Josh.
All right, buddy.
And he'll figure something out. We'll find a hiding place, like the wheel well of our car or something like that. I don't know. All right?
Okay.
So hold on.
Right.
Josh will talk to you here in a second. So I'm glad I got you to admit at least that you like one song on this SoFla Records, because you just panned the whole thing. See, I'm nicer to the local bands than I am just in general, because I want there to be a local music scene, and there is one, but I actually want it to be big and noticeable, and that's why I'm going to play a lot of local music today. Didn't realize until I started looking for stuff to play today that we had all this local stuff, including some things that I had never even mentioned or played before. For example, this Brendan O'Hara, not my style of music. I'll just say that right now. It's kind of like piano lounge, jazzy. It's totally not my style of music, but it's a good example of that if you like it. As a matter of fact, it's so good, some of it, that I like it in spite of the fact that this isn't up my alley. Does that make any sense to you? So in the name of being objective and all-encompassing and, you know, trying to be all things to all people, which is impossible, but it's all about just different kinds of music today. I'm going to play this Brendan O'Hara. Matt from Power Smoothie brought this in, along with some Power Smoothies once, and he said, you got to listen to this kid. He writes all his own stuff, and it's good.
Okay.
So there you go. Meanwhile, back to the SoFla Records. I want to mention this again. That was the Delegates. So you like that. That's the one song on there that I thought that you would like. Who's that hottie that just walked by? That's the one song on there that I thought you would like, so I'm glad you did. I want to mention again where you can find out more. SoFlaRecords.com. SOFLA Records.com. And also, if you want to try to be the lead singer of Solicide, look, they got music. You can go to Solicide.com. You want to try it?
No, I'm all set.
Dirk's real high-strung, man. He's just bouncing around walls. He'll just bouncy. But you got to be that way when you write the music and you're the guitarist.
Yeah, you do.
I reckon. And so there you go. Here's your shot. It's like rock and roll school all over the place. By the way, I actually saw that for the first time, the Gene Simmons Rock and Roll School. I wasn't interested in the beginning, but there was nothing else on over the weekend.
I saw the School of Rock.
Cute. Yeah. Oh, the movie?
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah,
I thought it was
okay.
okay.
Jack Black tour de force. Like he bribed somebody to let him do everything that he could possibly do in a movie.
Well, I like Jack Black.
I don't mind him, but I just wasn't crazy about that movie. The Gene Simmons Rock and Roll School is funny, if for no other reason, because they're little British kids. Hey, baby. They're little British kids. And so they're speaking like old British, like from the Pink Floyd movie. I'm not sure if I like him. The music that he used to play, it's not exactly the kind of music that I want to play. I don't know how this is going to work out. Like little Harry Potter kids. so to speak. So anyway, speaking of, that's enough of that crap. I played this before during other music shows, but I like it a lot, and I still haven't heard it, I don't know, anywhere. Have you heard this yet, Kill Radio? Anybody playing this on the radio?
No.
On MTV, you haven't seen it, and it's good, so here it is.
but I bet the good chance, yeah, I go to church each week. If it wasn't on Sunday, just my hangover hurts, so I sleep till Monday. Give me a place where I can lose control. Give me a place where they don't call last call. Give me a place where I can lose control. Give me a good hole in the wall.
So there you go, Brendan O'Hara. He's local. He's tripping around. I think he's like 12. I'm not sure. He's got a beard to try to make himself look older. And there you go, Brendan, BRENDAN, O'Hara.org, all right? www.brendanohara.org if that's your style. And I was going to play some Camel Toe, but I got to find a song that doesn't start out like the first word out of their mouths with something that we can't play. So in honor of the concert, I already played one Papa Roach song, so here's the latest 311. Josh says that nobody's playing it on the radio. So if you've already heard this, it's Josh's fault.
Watch it now. I
All right, now I'm going to play dangerously, all right? I'm going to see if I can play a song and then have another one queued up by the time we have to dump the one that I'm playing. Follow what I'm saying? Because I'm playing a song. It's a Camel Toe song. I remember liking it, but I don't remember if it's clean. All right?
Let's do this.
So we're living on the edge over here. Here it goes. And now I'm going to see if I can cue something up by the time I have to dump this.
Pipeline, Hatteras and Valley, Baja, Barbados, Waimea Bay, Sebastian, Inlet, Rincon, CA, Sunset, Santa Cruz, Jeffreys Bay. Serve this! Serve this! Serve this! Serve this! Locals only, surf punks rule. The ocean is our backyard pool. Locals only, surf punks rule. Get off my wave or blow my tool. Locals only, surf punks rule. The ocean is our backyard pool. Locals only, surf punks rule. Get off my wave or blow my tool.
Wow, what do you know? We actually got through that without having to dump it, at least not that I know of.
Hey, hurry up and hit that. That guy's calling me.
Oh, is he downstairs already? All right, well, then I'll save the banter for later. It's 11:10 on 560 QAM.
Y'all gonna hear some realness. Okay. Yes, yeah, y'all gonna feel this. But you know you can't. All we do is showing love in the time of need. And what you classify drugs, what I call a weed. Yes, indeed, just a seed, all to take the grow. Yet you spend the $2 trying to stop the flow. Stop the show, every shit, man, these laws have changed. Ain't nobody doing shit, man, we all the drain. All the same, it's the same, we done lost our mind. Trying to rearrange pain, calling it a crime. Real crimes out there happening every single day. Why do the wrong people keep on getting locked away? Hey, 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 I'ma call it how I see it. And if you wanna say that I'm a place, I'm a fear. But the fact is that's about we gotta make it happen. Just believe on my sleeve, on it just around me. Got to legalize. Yes, we could, yes, indeed. Yeah. Stop messing with the weed. Stop messing with it, man. How many people locked up on weed? Come on, man. We're out here showing love. I know people that are smoking good every night. I don't see them coming home trying to beat the wife. I don't see them at the grown trying to pick a fight. Once a lead, they have to loan, let them have the right. Right to coke, right to burn, right to just relax. There's no proof, make it hard, doing it just a fact. Matter of fact, we used to list it as a medication. Check your history, 1800s, we'll cultivate. Now somehow you want to trip, tell me it's illegal. Ain't somebody getting paid by the bigger people. Like the jail cells, look, they can benefit. All the bail, hell, they don't want no end to be. And these that I'm a man, I'm a beard. But the fact that somehow we gotta make it happen. Best believe on my sleeve more than just a rapper. Legalize. Yes, we could, yes, indeed. Out here trying to legalize this for real with the weed. This ain't no joke, this ain't no game. Out here trying to do this thing. Stop messing with the weed. Yeah. Matter of fact, yes indeed. Matter of fact, I think y'all just need to keep it illegal so we can keep making our money to fund this whole album you hear. That's for real. So I take all that shit back. Stop messing with the weed.
Damn it. You hear that? I wish I could start it over. Here we go. I'll start it over this time on the air. I need one more CD player in here, Josh. Think you could pull that off for me? Just one more would be good. That way I don't have to use the computer. Anyway, here goes the Faint. I just always wanted to say that. Here go to Faint. Got this from somebody in Texas. They sent this to me.
In the beginning there was Steven, in a deep mouth of flesh, and the crest I traveled on a wave of feral men, through a tunnel of mucus, and on toward a vault, with tourists and traffic. I just changed myself. I as my whole self, just the half that I had, before greeting the rest of my better half. A connection was made to the shared love of science. Vows were taken, a seat was higher, a cavern fluid, brought shape to my eyes. In the months that remain, till the time of my life, I thrash for the reason of killing from the crack. Of the doctor to account for scraps. My brains wouldn't fit through organ death. Anesthesia was made with a scalpel mask. I should have noticed the beauty and not how it hurt. Wet like a cherry in the bloodbath of birth.
Damn it. Told you, Josh. 3 CD players. Good thing you don't have that mic going yet. Just one more from the Groundhog, since that's handy. If you like that other song so much. Sure hope I play the clean version now.
That's how I go, boy, we making it funk. Tell you about the real when we making it funk. Show them how we feel while we making it bump. Y'all ain't finna deal with the way that we come. Holla back, where's my freedom? Y'all come around and took my freedom. That's why I don't like y'all. That's why I want to fight y'all. Cause y'all so trifling. Can't stay out my life, man. Y'all took my freedom. Took my rights like I don't need them. Watch what you do, boy, watch what you say. Watch that at the crib while you rollin' the J. Watch it where you live, cause they hoping today. Compete down your door and treat you hash anyway. Cause they sneaky, slimy, pull up behind me. Smell a little weed, now they finna try me. Yoke me out the car, dig into my pocket. Tearing up a seat, stay apart, now I just bought this. What you trying to do? What happened to my rights? What happened to the privacy I had up in my life? You think you run the law, you think you got it raw, but you gon' see a gang of rebels back against the wall. Holla about, where's my freedom? Y'all took around and took my freedom. Why I don't like y'all? That's why I want to fight y'all. Cause y'all so trifling, can't stay out my life, man. You took my freedom, took my rights like I don't need them. Say your rights being taken, I mean been taken. You say the wrong things and they all start shaking. Showing little what they call off breaking. That's God-given issue, how the hell y'all hating? See the news showing crime, doors stay locked all the time. Feel like any day dying, feel like ain't no way trying. See they at their best when you stress trying to play from behind. You don't gotta deal with it, you can take measures. Don't let them tell you how to live your everyday pleasures. Don't let them get up in your grill and try to dictate. That's why I'm rounding up, we finna get this shit straight. Holla about, where's my freedom? Y'all took around and took my freedom. Why I don't like y'all, that's why I want to fight y'all. Cause y'all so trifling, can't stay out my life, man. You took my freedom, took my rights like I don't need them. Like I'm a judge listening to this FCC, trying to tell me and my family what we get to see. Like y'all TV directors at Direct TV, but the Direct TV I got direct to me. That mean it ain't for you, player, your mammy, your pappy. Got a problem with it, damn it, come at me. Y'all my last nerve and to get you served. Making all these rules like you got the last word. But I ain't gon' listen, just get into position. Strike with a blow to get the whole system twitching. Knock them out they frame cause they game been deleted. That's why other people, man, we can't be defeated. Holla about, where's my freedom? Y'all took around and took my freedom. Why I don't like y'all, that's why I want to fight y'all. Cause y'all so trifling, can't stay out my life, man. Took my freedom, took my rights like I don't need them. That's how I go, boy, we making it funk. Tell you about the real when we making it funk. Show them how we feel while we making it bump. Cause y'all ain't finna deal with the way that we come. Holla about, where's my freedom? Y'all took around and took my freedom. Why I don't like y'all, that's why I want to fight y'all. Cause y'all so trifling, can't stay out my life, man. You took my freedom, took my rights like I don't need them.
blessed, the light shines bright. You sow. You got to feel something at some time. Just the writings on the wall and looking to the side. You're spending all the money on deals that never work. You're wasting all the energy and everywhere it hurts. God, it really hurts. Yes, it really hurts. You got to know yourself.
Your feet on the life of the field.
I'm looking for your justice, and it cannot be seen. I'm checking where you're coming from and where you're going to. I'm checking out what you have done to see what you can do. I'm looking at your logs, and they were never read. I'm looking at your logs wide, and they cannot be traded. I'm looking at your empire, living without the dreams. You got to know yourself.
Your feet on the life of the field.
So anyway, that was Sinead O'Connor. This is actually a very interesting disc here. This was from the box of new music that we got on Friday here. And it's Sinead O'Connor collaborations, and it's her teaming up with people, which is apparently all she's been doing lately. And she just goes out and hooks up with bands and does vocals on them. Some of these we've already heard before. They're already old, like the song that she did with Afro Celt Sound System, another one that she did with Conjure One. They're already a few years old. Massive Attack, she's on here with them. U2, Moby, Peter Gabriel. And here's the thing about this album is it's all over the place. And she gets around, and it's a lot of weird stuff. But the reason I played that, besides that I like it, is I want to know what movie or TV show I heard that on before. So send a fax if you know, or call me on Wednesday, because we're not going to be taking any calls today. It's 11:31 on 560 QAM.
Homegrown.
A song is not what it seems.
11:38 on 560 QAM. We're going to keep this the schmaltzy stuff going. Got a new Conjure 1 CD in here. I like Conjure 1, whether or not Sinead O'Connor is singing with them or what. But this is really long schmaltzy song. I stuck this in the computer because I didn't know what genre to call this. I wanted to call it synth drum ethereal voice pop, and I stuck it in the computer and they called it general pop. This is general pop like Britney? Yeah, right. It's weird, synthetic, schmaltzy, female vocals mostly. If you like that kind of thing, the whole album's listenable. This song is long. It takes forever to get into any kind of vocals, and even then it's just wailing. I could read the old poll from the weekend, as a matter of fact. What's the worst thing this president has ever done? Starting an unprovoked war for politics and profit. 585. That's 44.6% of the audience out of 1,309 votes for the weekend. Stealing the election at least once, 148. Turning a record surplus into a record deficit, 118. Letting 9/11 happen, 106. Nothing, he's a great president, 101. Shredding the Bill of Rights using the Patriot Act, 67. Letting the energy companies determine our energy policy, 42. Letting Osama bin Laden escape, 40. Helping the bin Laden family get out of the country before they can be questioned by any authorities, 29. Giving tax cuts to the rich, 24. Giving tax dollars to religious institutions in violation of the Constitution, 19. Saying bring it on to the enemy, 17. Going AWOL during his fake military duty, 9. And giving no bid contracts to Halliburton, 4. Go to NeilRogers.com, vote. We're taking a poll right now on the hurricane aftermath stuff. In the meantime, here's some more ethereal schmaltz from Conjure 1. Anytime, man. Me on the mouth.
It's not far to go. It's not far at all. It's not far to go. You're not far at all. Who's out that water so cold? There's so much that I don't know. The difference between frozen hands and feet. You come right out and you ask me. Nobody ever asked me. Only you come and ask me. In the pool out back, water to my chest. How I lie in the grass. Looks a lot worse than it seems. No, baby, that's just me. Baby, that's just me. Baby, that's just me. It's not far to go, no. It's not far real. Looking for a life, walk that back. When you're sun away, you take this back. I'll be there as always. Loving back and broccoli explosion. We can only hope that I'll be floating. We can only hope that I'll be. Never let it if I can, if I need to know like I was there. But if I was to just call my name, and I'll be there. If you call my name, you know I'll be there. And you're so far away, no matter what you do, no matter what you say, you can stop the world for a moment. In the middle of the bayou, stop it and say, hi, is it alright, is it alright if I, hi, is it alright, is it alright if I, hi, is it alright, is it alright if I, hi, is it alright, is it alright. Without that water so cold, there's not much said that I don't know. The difference between frozen hands and feet. You come right out and ask me. It's not far to go. It's not far at all. It's not far to go. It's not far at all. It's not far to go. You're not far at all. It's not far to go. It's not far at all. It's not far to go. It's not far at all. It's not far to go. It's not far at all. It's not far to go. It's not far at all. It's not far to go. It's not far at all.
So I'm glad. Yeah, she's perfectly doable right now, Takara. We're watching the repeat of Celebrity Fit Club. Not that she doesn't have a little bit more to go, and she wants to go in the other direction, unfortunately. Anyway, that was, for those of you who don't know, and that includes me, Tegan and Sarah. Never heard of them before. It's on a disc that a chick sent me. I presume it's a chick because she threw her bra tag in there, and it's a triple D. So this is 3D Girl gave me this disc, and there's a whole bunch of interesting stuff on here. I will not be playing the Bo Bice from it. Sorry, 3D Girl, still not up my alley. Bo Bice anyway. I'm stepping all over this now, aren't I? Anyway, it's the Diffusers. You've already heard this. Too bad.
And I wonder if you ever think about me when you're hanging in New York. And I wonder if you still think Bono writes this song for you. And I wonder if the reasons why you left me were untrue. And I wonder if you give him better blowjobs than the ones I got from you. Because girl, you mean so much to me. I wish that we could start it over. I don't need your sympathy or apologies. I'm burying my coffee cup at 6 a.m. and I cannot get and I wonder if you're happy or just glad to see me scarred. Did my drunk self-confession sober up your bleeding heart? I am bending over backwards to get close to you, but still I feel so far. Because girl, you mean so much to me. I wish that we could start it over. I don't need your sympathy or apologies. I'm staring in my coffee cup at 6 a.m. and I cannot down your face, teardrops running down your face, diamonds of water and song from your body, coming down to meet my kisses. Teardrops running down your face, teardrops running down your face, staining your skin and my skin and beginning the stories that you can't begin. The way I feel could be despised, but it's a vision that I prize. Teardrops, teardrops. I'm not trying to make you feel pain or joy to make the tears flow, but when they roll unashamed, they move me so. Wah, 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 wah. Wah, 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 wah. Wah, 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 wah. Wah, 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 wah. Teardrops running down your face, teardrops running down your face. Let me burst in with my fingers, comfort you and say it's alright. It's so strong this way I feel. Sometimes I wanna beg or steal you. Teardrops, teardrops. I'm not trying to make you feel pain or joy to make the tears flow, but when they roll unashamed, they move me so. Teardrops, they're running down your face. Teardrops, they're running down your face. Diamonds of water and song from your body, coming down to meet my kisses.
Well, we were expecting to take a break. By the way, for those of you keeping track, got your legal pad out, that was, who are they? The Proclaimers, Irish band, and they're good, from that same CD that chick sent. We'd normally take a break right now, but the backup audio vault has just crashed, so you might get that More Music Monday after all. Here's Gorillaz, not the one that you've already heard on MTV, but a different one, from the new disc, Demon Days. So anyway, still have no commercials, so we're going to get a lot of music today. A lot more than planned. Do we have them yet? I'd love to go pick a lock. I'd love to pick a lock to engineers. Ever hear that before? I don't know how into goth schmaltz you are, but I'm pulling out everything that's really long now that we don't have any commercials. Because I even wrote down sort of a playlist things I wanted to cover. And guess what? Covered them
already, huh?
Well, yeah. Well, I had taken breaks into account when this fiasco started. I'm going to go pick that lock on the engineering now.
You do that.
And as a matter of fact, this gives me the opportunity to play yet another long Caesar song. Remember we started out with the Caesars?
Okay.
I said that there were some songs worth listening on this disc. Here they are. And here's another one.
I need some young blood. Come Friday night, bring on the big flood. Like September's coming on. Summer won't be back for long. Hey, let's start a big fire. Let's shake it up. Let's try to burn brighter. There's no one here to catch our fall. No one here to hear us call. This dirty September night, we stuck out here, got caught in the starlight, running through these empty streets. This city's good for you and me. Running through these empty streets. This city's good for you and me. I know that the road's long, it lingers on, and Lord knows it's uphill. Seems like you're not getting anywhere.
Tonight at Dope Campbell in Tallahassee, two rivals square off. The Miami Hurricanes, Florida State. Kickoff is set for 8. Hurricanes game day starts immediately following Marlins baseball. Presented by Bell South. Catch all the action on one station. This station, Sports Radio 560, QAM.
Okay, old cure is we just fill time at this point because nothing works and, nothing works. Matter of fact, I went out in the hall and I was the only person inside the radio station. Kind of scary and satisfying at the same time. Here's that band whose name I don't know how to pronounce. It's either Kasabian or Kasabian or Kasabian, I don't know, and the song's called Clubfoot, and you've seen it in the commercial. Some of you have heard it in the commercial, but here it is.
Jason, you're on QM.
You don't have any National Guardsmen because they're all fighting a war in Iraq right now.
Not the National Guard.
Pardon?
Not the National Guard.
No National Guard in Iraq?
There's no National Guard. No.
plane pour moi. C'est barré, enfin c'est marre à tout casser, les vieilles, le bar me laissant seul, comme un grand connard. Le pied dans le plat, ça plane pour moi, ça plane pour moi, ça plane pour moi, ça plane pour moi.
Well, you don't need me to talk to go into a commercial, man. Just play it. Just go ahead.